Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve the following differential equation y prime plus xy is equal to 6x times root y. So note that this is a Bernoulli differential equation since we have here this root y term. So to solve this kind of Bernoulli equation, we need to divide both sides by this extra term root y. So by dividing root y, we get 1 by root y prime plus x times root y is equal to 6x. Now we will substitute this root y by a new variable u. So by derivating we get 1 by 2 root y prime is equal to u prime. So 1 by root y prime is equal to 2u prime. So we get 2u prime plus xu is equal to 6x. So note that this is a linear differential equation. So now we need to write it in general form. So u prime plus x by 2u is equal to 3x. This is the general form with u prime plus pxu is equal to qx. So by comparing, we get here px is nothing but x by 2. Now we know that integrating factor of linear differential equation is given by e to the power integral px dx. Now here what is px? Px is nothing but x by 2. So by integrating we have e to the power x square by 4. So this multiplying by integrating factor to the both side of this equation number 1, we get ddx of u times e power x square by 4 is 3x e power x square by 4. So u times e to the power x square by 4 is equal to 3x e power x square by 4. So now put x square by 4 as p. So again by derivating we get x by 2 dx is equal to dp. So x dx is equal to 2 dp. So then we have 3 times x dx is 2 dp and e power p. So we have 6 e power p dp, which is nothing but 6 e power p plus c. So by putting value of p, we have e power x square by 4 plus c. So we have u e x square by 4 is equal to 6p x square by 4 plus c. Now u will be 6 plus ce minus x square by 4. Now what is u? We substitute here u is root y. So root y is equal to 6 plus 6c x square by 6c minus x square by 4. This is the general solution of the polynomial.